Hey guys, it's Kara, and today I have an unboxing to do. Well, I sort of opened it already, but it's Morphe. I got Morphe, so let's get started. I'm going to show you what I got. So I just recently became a Morphe affiliate, so I'm now selling Morphe. So I'm going to show you what I got. So one of the things that I got is this palette. It's called the ChromaPlus 6-pan eyeshadow palette. And wait till you see these colors. I'm wearing this palette. So let me show it to you. This is what it looks like too. Isn't that pretty? I love the packaging. It's very pretty. So we open it up. And this palette is called Love Byte. I believe there is maybe four to six different ones you can choose from, but this is Love Byte. This is the one that I got. Isn't this beautiful? Look at this. And these two right here, these two are, they're the chrome eyeshadow. And you can use these dry or wet. If you wet them, they're very intense, or you can put them on dry. So what I did today, and I'll even show you, I have it on my eyes. In fact, I used this whole palette on my face. I'm going to show you how I did it. So I used these two colors. This color right here, I used in the inner corner. This one I used on my lid and in my crease. Then I took a little bit of this color, and I put it over my lid. And then I put a little bit of this just in the center. You can kind of see it's kind of like sparkly, but it's kind of like multicolor. It's really cool. Like these come out very different on the skin. It's like reddish and really, really cool. And then there's this one. This one's really pretty too. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really, really, really pretty. And when you wet them, they're even more intense. But I used it dry. So I put this on first right there in the inner corner. Then I used this in my crease and a little bit on my lid. Mixed a little bit of this right on my lid. And then this color, I just wet boom right in the center of my eye, just to give it a little bit of a punch. I used this particular shade with an angle brush on my upper lid as a liner, and I winged it out a little bit. And then I just used a little bit of that color right here under my eye, but just in the very outer corner. I didn't bring it all the way across. So that's what I did with this palette. I took this color and I put it on my cheeks. I used it as a blush. Because why not? You could do that. And then I lined my lips with the lip liner. This is the lip liner, and it's called Signature Lip Liner. And the color is Berry Cola, I think. Let me see. Berry Cola. This is the color, Berry Cola. So I lined my lips with Berry Cola. And then, for fun, I slightly penciled them in a little bit, and then I took this shade that I went in the center of my eye, and I put it over the top on my lips, and I wet it a little bit to make it a little bit more intense, but that's what I did. So I basically used this entire palette on my whole face. Because I was playing today, I thought I'd experiment a little, but that's pretty cool, right? Take the whole palette and just use it all over your face. Like I said, I have the shadows on my eyes. I used one of the eyeshadows as my blush. And then I used a lip liner and mixed it with this eyeshadow, this creamy eyeshadow. And I put it a little bit on, but I wet it a little bit. And that's the look I got. This whole palette. Let me show you what else I got. like I said, got the lip liner. I also got a lipstick. And I could have used the lipstick too, but I wanted to play with the eyeshadows. I thought it'd be kind of fun. And also too, like if you're in a hurry and you're going somewhere, and maybe you don't have your lipstick on you, there's nothing wrong with using eyeshadow on your lips, especially if it's like a frosty color or if it's like a creamy eyeshadow. Why not? Just take your finger and just smudge it onto your lips. Why not? This is the lipstick that I got. Let's see, what was the color? I think it was called Plush. Plush lipstick. And that's the shade. It's kind of like a plummy, like soft plummy kind of color, like a plummy wine. Pretty. It would go nicely too with this. But like I said, I felt like playing today with the shadows, and I put the shadow on my lips. And then I got this other eyeshadow palette, which I'm going to show you next. And this is the Chroma 12 palette pan eyeshadow, and the color is Electric Current. So this one looks like this. This is a bigger one. This is a 12 palette, not that one was the 6 palette. This is the 12 palette. Let me just take this out. This just has like instructions, like if you want to know like how to work with certain colors, it kind of teaches you, which is kind of nice. But this is the 12 palette. Look at these colors, you guys. These are gorgeous. Look at these. I like the pinks and the berries, and then you've got some golds, and this is like a pinky gold, like a pink, like a rose gold color. And of course, these are beautiful if you're looking to intensify the eye or even use them as an eyeliner, you know, with an angled brush. But these are gorgeous. And I thought it would be nice to get these two palettes together, which on my website, if you decide you want both of these, you can get these two palettes together. And you don't have to get these colors, but the 12 pan, the ChromaPlus 12 pan, and the ChromaPlus 6 pan, they sell these together for a discounted price, just to tell you. So if you're looking to get both of them, and Morphe is very reasonable too. So if you're concerned about spending a lot of money, you're not going to spend a lot of money. And their products are reasonable, but they're really good. Now look at this. Look at these two palettes. That's why I got these two palettes together, because I thought the colors, you could mix and match both of these palettes with each other, and it would be really, really pretty. So, so that's what I got from Morphe, and I'm so excited to play and try these products. And I think I have another Morphe order coming soon, so when it comes, I'll be sure to come on here and demonstrate and show you what I got. So if you are interested in purchasing any Morphe products, I am going to put my link down below. And when you purchase products from me, you get 20% off your order. I believe it's for first-time online purchasers. You're going to get 20% off. But if you've never purchased Morphe before, I suggest you get on it and take advantage of that 20%. And like I said, the prices are reasonable to begin with. They're not astronomical. But 20% is 20%. That's kind of nice. So if you want to try these products, like I said, I'm going to have my link below, and you'll get 20% off your order. If you also need any help picking out products or color matching with foundation or concealer, you can reach out to me for that too. I'd love to help you. And if you are someone that is into makeup, or whether you're a makeup enthusiast or you are a makeup artist, and you want to do what I do, I'm also going to put the link below for our Morphe, it's called Morphe Artistry Community. And that's our affiliate program. And if you're interested and you want to apply for the Morphe Artistry Community program, I'll put that link down below too. And you can just fill out the information, and they usually get back to you pretty quickly, within a day or so, and you can do this too. It's great. And be able to earn a little bit of money, play with makeup, earn a little bit of money. You know, you could sell it to your friends or other customers, and it's fun. And also too, they have challenges for us. So when you reach certain challenge levels, like tiers, that's when the promotional boxes come in, meaning they send you some free stuff, which is kind of nice. And also too, with each challenge, I believe you do get like a certificate or some kind of voucher for a discount on your makeup, which is nice. So they actually do help you with purchasing products so that you can use them to sell, and they reward you for it. So it's kind of nice. So like I said, if you have any questions about the program or even about the products, just be sure to reach out to me. And I am going to put everything down below in the description, as well as these fine products that I got and the colors that I got, if you're interested in getting any of these fine products. So, and I have to say, I do use Morphe a lot when I do freelance makeup on my customers. For one thing, like I said, it's reasonably priced. Second of all, the pigment. The pigment, I mean, I know this is an eyeshadow, but that's what I mean. Whether it's blush or eyeshadow, I mean, the pigment on this product is amazing. And it's great for photography, you know, makeup for photography, brides, you know, whatever. But it's really, really nice makeup. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you did, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share my video. It's greatly appreciated when you do. And I hope you're having an awesome day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.